Mr. Duck, I love you, man, but you just don't understand. You say, try art. It's a great outlet to deal with your negative energy. Do this, do that. Dude, I've done it. And you know what happens? You know where you end up? You just end up one day saying, screw it. It's just the way it is. Because no matter what you do, no matter what you try, no matter how much of yourself you pour into whatever project, it's always there. It never goes away. And there ain't no amount of I'll forgive, I'll forget, that's going to make a shit bit of difference. That's just the way it is. And then one day, you know what you got to do? You just say to yourself, what the hell? I'll just ride the lightning.